How to replace a Human Touch Novo Flex massage mechanism air pump. You will need a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutter, and a zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Use a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws that secure the rear shroud to the chair. Lift the rear shroud, then disconnect the small white connector that connects the shroud to the PCB. Remove the shroud from the chair. Disconnect the massage mechanism air pump hose. Remove the red connector lock from the small white connector to the green PCB by pulling outward on the tab and then upward. Disconnect the connector from the PCB. Cut the zip tie that secures the two cables to the left-hand side of the silver air pump. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws securing the silver air pump closest to the rear of the chair and the left-hand screw near the green PCB. Lift the silver air pump just enough to slide the black air pump cable out from underneath it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the four screws that secure the massage mechanism air pump to the chair. Remove the air pump from the chair. If there are any rubber washers stuck to the underside of the air pump, remove them. Now, let's replace it. Place a rubber washer on any of the air pump screw holes that do not already have one. Note the washers may have remained in place when you removed the air pump. Place the air pump into position, aligning the screw holes, then replace the four screws to secure it. Connect the air pump hose to the black air hose from the chair, making sure to install the hose all the way onto the fitting. Press the black hose into the two cable guides on the chair tray. Slide the air pump cable under the silver air pump and work it backward to the middle of the pump. Replace the three screws to secure the silver air pump to the chair. Feed the air pump cable under the two air hoses, then connect the connector to the green PCB. Using a new zip tie, secure the two cables to the left-hand side of the silver air pump. Cut the excess zip tie. Note the two tabs in each forward-facing corner of the rear shroud and the corresponding slots on the chair. Install the tabs into the slots, reconnect the shroud connector to the corresponding connector on the PCB, then lower the shroud into position. Make sure the edge of the shroud is behind the edge of the power panel. Replace the 2 screws to secure the shroud to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.